All right, what do we got today? Hey bro, we're about to head to the club and have some successful interactions with women. You in? Bro, can't you knock? My bad bro, the door was open. What are you doing? Well, I was about to watch a video on the sexiest niche fragrances to attract the ladies. Okay, that's fine. So you're looking for sexy fragrances? Who are you watching? Let me see. Well, I think that's what you're looking for. Yeah, man, I'm trying to be irresistible. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna spray something on real quick and then I'll be ready to go. Sure, bro. I'm gonna be real with you. I don't think a fragrance is gonna do it all by itself. What you mean? I mean, bruh, is this what you're wearing to the club? Really? What's wrong with my fit, bro? There's nothing wrong with what I got on. Because I know a secret. I know something you don't know. And that is, it doesn't really matter what you look like. What matters is that you smell amazing, that you smell sexy, that you smell phenomenal, irresistible. And I got 5 fragrances here that I use to do that all the time. We got Mula Mula, right? This is sexy vanilla caramel, just edible, just a dessert in a bottle. You smell so delectable in this one. We got Sarah Oud, man, this is, all I gotta say is this stuff costs more than you rent. We got Mancera Instant Crush, a total lady killer, just sweet, spicy, leathery, creamy goodness, just seductive stuff, I'm telling you, man. We got Smolder from my boy Chris over at Fragmental. Smoky, sexy, dark, mysterious man here. This is somebody who doesn't even have to try. And the ladies just drool at their ankles. I'm telling you, bro, I cannot tell you how many ladies I've had to fight off with Smolder. And of course, my baby, Old Faithful, if you will. We're talking about Leighton. This is all you need. One spray of this, I do 15 typically, but just one spray. This is a magic elixir. They will not leave you alone. I'm telling you, bro, this is all you need. Smell this, man. Yeah, that smells good. What I tell you, bro. Yeah, bro, I'm not gonna lie, that smells really good, but I still don't think it's gonna help you dress like that. Bro, you are hating. You are hating so bad. It's all about how you smell. That's all it takes. I read somewhere that the sense of smell is the strongest one, and it's even strongest for the ladies. So I've done my research. All right, bro, my bad. You do you, and we'll be down in the car when you're ready. Word. I'll be down in a sec. Let's get it. Hey bro, you good? Yeah bro, I'm fine. I mean, she didn't know what she was missing anyway. That is exactly what I'm saying, bro. This stuff is irresistible. It's latent. All the reviewers say it's so sexy. She is totally tripping. You're right, she's missing out. She's the one missing out. All right, bro, I gotta be real with you. Yeah, whatever this latent is that you wore, yeah, it smells good. No denying that. But you walked up on her with stank breath and this hideous fit. What did you expect? Bruh, there you go hating again. I thought you were on my side. Bro, I am on your side. That's why I'm telling you the truth. Yeah, you wear stuff that smells really good, but your style doesn't match. The fragrance is not gonna do it all by itself like I told you. So that's how it is, huh? Anything else? I'm just trying to help, man. I mean, she literally pushed your face away with her palm and said, "Get away from me, sewer scum. Your breath stinks and you reek of cologne." Look, all I'm trying to say, your fragrance is not going to do it by itself. Yeah, you got the confidence. You have a good smell good. Wonderful. But you need to make yourself more approachable. A great outfit is, I think, at least a great starting place for that. And I'm happy to help. I'm your boy. I got you. You know what? I am good. I don't need your advice. I already have everything that I need to attract women. So how about I do me, you do you, and I'll see you at the crossroads, playboy. Bye. Trying to tell me that I need a new fit, that I need to do better to attract women? Man, who does he think he is? All right, Curly. Tell me what to buy next.